In this video, you'll learn how to install WordPress using EasyWP on Namecheap. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to expect on your screen, even if this is your first time working with WordPress or Namecheap. First, make sure you're logged in to your Namecheap account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one on the Namecheap website and then sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, which is the central place where you manage your domains, hosting, and other services. From this dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu that includes different sections for managing your account. This left-hand sidebar is important because that's where you'll find the apps section we need. Take a moment to locate it so you feel comfortable navigating there whenever you return in the future. Now, in that left-hand sidebar, click on Apps. This section collects different tools and services that integrate with your Namecheap account. EasyWP, which is Namecheap's managed WordPress hosting solution, is one of those tools. By going through apps instead of trying to install WordPress manually, you're taking advantage of a streamlined process that handles most of the technical setup for you. After you click apps, the main area of the page will update and show you a list or grid of applications available to use with your account. Look carefully through this list until you see the EasyWP icon. The icon usually has the EasyWP name and a recognizable logo, so it should be fairly easy to spot. But take your time if you're new to this layout. Once you see the EasyWP icon, click it. This click is the key step that takes you from the general Namecheap dashboard into the EasyWP environment where you can begin setting up your WordPress site. The EasyWP interface is designed to make WordPress installation as simple as possible, even if you've never installed a website before. After clicking the EasyWP icon, you'll typically be guided through a series of on-screen prompts, such as choosing a plan, selecting a domain, and confirming your choices. Follow those prompts as they appear. The reason we start from the Apps menu and the EasyWP icon is that it ensures everything is connected correctly to your Namecheap account and domain rather than trying to piece things together from different sections. As you work through this process, it's a good idea to double check which domain you want to use for your new WordPress site and to keep note of any login details or confirmation messages EasyWP provides. Managed WordPress through EasyWP usually takes care of installing WordPress files, setting up the database, and optimizing basic performance for you, which saves you from doing those tasks manually via traditional hosting. To quickly recap, you log into your Namecheap account, look to the left-hand sidebar, click on Apps, then click the EasyWP icon to start the guided WordPress installation. Once you've done that, the on-screen instructions will carry you through the rest of the setup, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a fresh WordPress site ready to customize.